Hey guys, Travis here with Modern Bay. It's just going to be a quick video. This is a new one for us. So every Subaru conversion that we've done so far, which as you guys probably know, our whole jam is doing Subaru conversions into vintage Volkswagen Bay Window Buses. But everyone we've done so far has been a manual transmission. We've even converted an automatic bus to a manual transmission at the request of one of our owners or one of our clients. But we have not converted a manual to an automatic, or we've not done a conversion with an automatic. So we're working with German Transaxle out of Oregon. Folks are great. Shout out to Katika and Ken. They're building two amazing automatics for us, and they've got the works. It's going to be pretty exciting when we do a video on those guys and show it to you. But to mate those brand spanking, newly rebuilt transmissions to motors like these, actually this motor, for one of them, we need an adapter kit. And so right here we have the Kennedy Engineering Products adapter kit. We have two of them in here for upcoming two builds. And so we're just going to do a quick video on what's in the box. So let's do it. We'll do another video on actually how to install this on your motor. But for now, Lori and the folks at Kennedy Engineering Products, they always take care of us. So shout out. We're not sponsored or anything. If you want to sponsor us, do it. We're open to it. So of course, got our invoice. We got a million peanuts. If you've been around for long, you know that peanuts are quite possibly my favorite thing on the. No, I hate peanuts. But they serve a purpose. So whatever. I'm not gonna sift through all these peanuts right now. But we got our hardware kit. So of course we got two kits in here. So two different hardware kits. I don't know what all this stuff does yet. We're going to figure it out. But here we go. So what comes in the box. So hardware on top. We are going to be checking these out. And when we do the actual video, we'll walk through the instructions. So thank you, Kennedy, for that. And now for this next part, drum roll, please. I'm going to need a razor. I'll be back. Okay. And I'm back. Should have had a commercial break there. Anyway, watch me dispose of peanuts. My favorite thing. Okay, we'll see how heavy we are here. All right, so in this box, there are there's one smaller box. Yeehaw. Boxes in boxes. Also, one of my favorite things. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I'm getting all over people for packing things. They do a great job packing. I would much rather it be packed super well and packed by a company I will not name who uses old used boxes for everything, and it shows up to my doorstep looking like it just always looks pretty haggard. Anyway, not naming any names out there. You guys may have had the same experience, but this is going to be a little shield plate, dust plate on the bottom. I know this because it's the same on the conversions that are for the manuals. So look at me, I recognize a thing. I'm a professional. All right, so here we go. Box number 2. Ooh. Put my face by it so it'll focus on it. We're still figuring out cinematic mode on the camera. Yeah, did we get it?
Yeah, I think we got it.
Okay, so cutting some more. This, if you don't recognize it, it's Kennedy's, it's their flex plate, or their version of a flex plate with this little adapter on it so that it'll it'll connect to the crankshaft. So, dun dun dun. I literally, I don't know how cinematic mode works other than like putting things by my face to focus on them. So there we go. Okay, flex plate. You're gonna need it if you're doing an automatic. And by the way, quick pit stop. I'm just gonna say, if you're doing an automatic, don't just, especially if you have an early bay, do not use the automatic in stock form. Even if you have a later bay with the 090 differential in your automatic, you probably still want to drop that differential to a 372. It lowers your RPMs by about 400 RPMs, which keeps your motor a little happier. So if you're just round town in it, just going to the beach and back, you know, you live in one of those swanky California towns where you're like 20 minutes from the beach, cool. Roll your automatic, roll your 002 manual, whatever. If you're not, you're going to want to re-gear your automatic to be a little happier for the Subaru motor, especially if you're running a 2.5. Maybe it's on the edge if you're running a 2.2, but not really. You should re-gear it. 372 is what both these builds are getting. That's enough for my quick pit stop. So in this box, there's just yet another one of those guys. So I'm gonna leave that in there for now, and I'll leave that out for now. Set this to the side. All right, this looks vaguely familiar. I actually wonder, looking at it, if this is almost the exact same as the one for manual transmissions. I think, just at first glance, I think this hole is bigger. Don't quote me on that. It might not be at all. Definitely doesn't have this guy. But I'm sure all these mounting holes, which mount to the engine, they're the same for sure. So this doesn't look that different, but did I say different? Y'all, I'm from Oklahoma. This doesn't look that different. I'm sorry if I just offended anyone in Oklahoma. That's where I'm from. I can do that. Nobody else can. So this is going to end up going something like that. And then this is actually a pretty simple kit, to be honest. Our torque converter is going to bolt to this guy. That's an upgraded torque converter. It's got an RV stall. It's an RV stall torque converter from German Transaxle. And so it's not the stock one. Again, another fancy schmancy upgrade for our customers. So there we go. There's that. There's that. Guys, that might be all that's in the box. I know you all are probably hoping to watch this for an hour or more. And there's another adapter plate in here, but I think that's about it. So yeah, I know you guys were really hoping that you'd watch this unboxing video for hours, just because unboxing videos are so exciting. But I'm sorry to disappoint. It's pretty much over. So yeah, that's kind of that. Follow along. We'll do more videos. We'll do a video of actually installing this on the engine. For one, it's going to be a piece of cake, guys. It's going to be super fast. We might do that right now. So we're going to do that video, and we're going to install an automatic in a bay window bus, and it's going to be dope. So stay tuned. I'm going to swim in these peanuts for a while, and then maybe we'll install this guy. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll talk to you soon.